We are now ready to assign tasks to the project that I just created. By the way, you can see that this project appears under all projects, but also under in progress projects when I click on that tab, because that's the status that I assigned to this project. In order to add tasks, I click on the project, and I'm just going to use the multiple tasks feature, which is the best way to add codependent tasks in one shot fairly quickly. By default it says 20 in here. You can just leave that. It'll omit tasks that you leave empty. So for each of these tasks I'm gonna put in a title, system analysis, I'm gonna pick a start date. Let's say this starts in a week and takes 40 hours. I'm going to let the finish date be calculated automatically on the finish time. And as you can see here, you can assign human resources to each task. I'm just going to leave this one as is for now. And up here, I leave the use cascading dependencies checkbox checked. So I don't need to worry about any of the dates of the upcoming tasks. They will all be calculated automatically just based on the hours that you put in. So in here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to enter a task name. I'm going to assign a different user in this case. Again. $40 hours. $120 hours. Again, I'm assigning the user that I created earlier. Quality assurance. As you noticed, I'm leaving the description empty. You can put information in there or not, it's an optional field. So this one's 60 hours. And I'll just omit all the other tasks and hit save. And as you can see, the system has created all the tasks. It has assigned the start and finish date automatically. And the tasks have been made dependent upon each other. So now, if there's progress on a specific task, I could go in using the task log. And I put in some information about my progress. I can say, okay, we made a 40% progress so far. I worked, say 10 hours. Currently there are no billing codes. We'll get to that later. And I can choose who I would like to see updated with this log. And I can also put in a URL for reference. For example, if I finished some design and it's available online, I could link to that. Put in made some progress. I want it to be emailed to all the task contacts, project contacts. I can also choose additional contacts if I like. Then I would put them in here. and so on. And then I hit update task, and as you can see, the task log has now been added to this task, and the task progress has gone up to 40%. Now if I go back to view this project, this is also going to be reflected in the project progress. See, it's 4.5%. If I look at the project list, it also tells me, okay, we're now at 4.5% with this project. And that's basically how you create tasks, assign tasks, and update tasks.